guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video for you guys. As you may or may not know, I am in the PR team for Paper House Productions, and every month we get all these goodies that we get to use and perhaps even give out some for you guys, which by the way, it reminds me that I will be picking up the winner for last month's giveaway. And as I let you know before, I will pick the winner from the comments that I've gotten. So if you ever left a comment, know for sure that I am going, well, you already know that I read them all, but know that I will be picking out the winner from the comments. Alright, so without further ado, I just got it today and I just wanted to open it up in camera. So let's open this together. Oh, nice. Alright, so let me give you a close-up one by one. Oh, these are really cute. Oh wow, and you know, it was Harry Potter's anniversary and they have all these amazing washies. This one, look how cute. Oh wow, look at the glasses. Oh, this is really cute. You know, they look pretty on pictures, but like to see them in person is even better. I love. This is really cute. Oh my god! How pretty are these? I love them. Oh wow. Alright, so let's get some stickers. Okay, I really get excited about stickers. I love how they have like this metallic finish to them. Really pretty. Oh wow, and these tiny little ones are my favorite because these are perfect for my traveler's notebook. Oh wow, look at these. I didn't do this and I didn't show you guys, but it's actually a lot of stickers, 95 pieces here. So we have half boxes, some washi, some deco, flags. Lovely. And then the finish, the gold finish, and all of them. It is. I love me this one. If it's perfect on the side of my planner so that I get to put down my to-do for that particular week. Oh wow, look at the checklist. Beautiful. Oh wow, I love them. Oh, these are just perfect for my planner. My Paper House planner is my work planner right now, and my co-workers are so envious because they see how pretty I get my planner. And this, oh my god guys, these are really cute. Look. And the foil, how okay, these are really girly, right up my alley. I love these. Oh wow, how girly. Okay, here, this goes perfect with my planner. Perfect. I love this. Is one of my favorite stickers right here. It just fits in my Erin Condren. It's great for my traveler's notebook. It's great. Well, I have a B6, so this is awesome for that, and also for my Paper House planner. This is one of my favorite ones. And these I use to put like bullet points for things that I don't want to forget, like within the week. I love. Oh my god, girl, how girly. I love, oh wow, you aren't selfish for putting yourself first. Lovely. Oh my god, I have, and now not only it's so functional, but look how pretty it is with the little gold detail. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love them. Thank you so much, Paper House. This is really cute. I need to take this to work. Oh, nice. I think they also have a planner that has this theme. So I like that they have a planner and like all the accessories for that planner as well. They have washi tapes, they have this. I love, like, you pick a planner and they have all kinds of goodies to match your planner. Like I said, I love this for my traveler's notebook. This is 204. I'm not even, hold on a second. Yeah. Look, can you see all the details? Hold on. And it's the same in the back. These are perfect for my traveler's notebook. And look, see? It's like all of these are part of the same collection. Let's flip this together. They all have these full boxes. I showed you how this fit in my planner in the previous video that I made. I will link that down below. So if you want to take a look and see how these stickers fit in your planners. I like how cohesive they all are. See, it's like, you know, they all belong. Oh, wow. Super cute. And look, oh my, look what we have here. These gorgeous flowers that go with everything. Everything. Wow, glamping. My friend Carrie and I have something up our sleeves, and I can't wait to show her these, because if she's watching right now, she already knows what I'm talking about. But we'll make an announcement like later on, not yet. More girly stuff. I love these. Oh my god. It's just to decorate your planner. These are very, very cute, super girly, and these butterflies that never go out of style. I love how they all have this nice gold foil. We got more functional stickers. Okay, I like. Oh wow. See, I like these because they have like different color schemes, even though they might be the same type of stickers. But look, these are more vibrant. You get 2 of these and 2 of these, and these are more pastel color ones, and you get 2 of those as well. And of course they have the little tiny, they have the little gold detail there. Lovely. I love these. These are the more colorful ones, and these are the pastel color ones. So, you know, some of us like very vibrant colors, and some of us like the very softer ones. Perfect. Oh wow, these are perfect. Thank you so much. Oh wow, and these are Screaming Monday to me. So every Monday you might see these, because I need me a huge cup of coffee. These are really cute. And then we have the more functional ones. Yeah. Oh, I love them. And then we have 2 sets of these flags. They match any sticker kit set that I get. Perfect. Sometimes I use them horizontally like that, but sometimes I use them vertically, depending, you know, which planner I'm on. I love these. And these as well, just regular check. I love functional stickers. They come very handy. I love this color scheme. I love all of these stickers. Oh my god. So it's so much, you know, it will take me a lifetime for me to use all of these stickers, which is why I will give some of these away. So what I'll do, don't forget, I will pick the winner from the comments down below. And I don't know if any of you guys use Paper House products. If you do, please let me know at the bottom which is your favorite product and why. Okay, Okay, so these were all my goodies, and as always I will post more pictures in my Instagram account. And what I'm gonna do now, I am going to pick the winner for the month of July from the comments. So if you are picked, I will contact you via YouTube because it's a YouTube giveaway, and I need to get your address or a place where I am going to send you my planner gift. Alright, so I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you could head on to my Instagram so you could check out more pictures. Alright, I will link the other video down below so that you see how these stickers fit in the planners. I hope you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta!